Welcome back to Breakfast Television on your Valentine's Day. You can enjoy an evening with those guys tomorrow night at Transcona's College Pierre-Elliott-Trudeau in a fundraising concert for students who are volunteering to spend their spring break at an orphanage in Bolivia. The show takes place at the school, and you guys are feeling warmed up? We're good? Good. It's hard to sing this early in the morning, but we're going to give you a preview anyway and get you in the mood for Valentine's Day. This is Those Guys live on BT with I'm Yours. Ooh. I tried to reach you, but you're so hot that I'm melted. Fell right through the cracks, and I'm trying to get back. Before the cool done run out, I'll be giving it my bestest. Nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some more, learn some, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Yes, I'm yours. Hey, hey.
Well, open up your mind and see like me. Open up the plans and damn, you're free. Look into your heart and you'll find love, 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 love. Listen to the music of the moment, people dance and sing. We're just one big family, and it's our God-forsaken right to be loved, love, 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 love. So I won't hesitate no more, no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to complicate. Our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours. I am yours. Yes, I'm yours. Hey, hey, you best believe I'm yours.
Someday I wish upon a star and wake up where the clouds are far behind me, where troubles melt like lemon drops, away above the chimney tops. That's where you'll find me.
I've been spending way too long checking my tongue in the mirror and bending over backwards just to try to see it clearer, but my breath fogged up the glass, and so I drew a new face and I laughed. I guess what I'm saying is there ain't no better reason to rid yourself of vanities and just go with the seasons. It's what we aim to do. Our name is our virtue, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to complicate. Our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours. There's no need to complicate. Our time